Welcome! If those little notification dots on your Snapchat app icon are driving you crazy, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn off app icon badges, specifically for Snapchat's Audible notifications. It's quick, simple, and only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device controls live. So once you're in, scroll down until you find apps and tap on it. Next, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Snapchat. Then tap on it to open its settings. Once you're inside the Snapchat app settings, look for notifications and tap on that. This section controls how Snapchat alerts you, including sounds, pop-ups, and badges. Now tap on notification categories. This is where things get a bit more specific, letting you customize different types of alerts separately. From here, find and select Audible notifications. These are the alerts that come with sound, and they often trigger those app icon badges as well. Inside this section, look for the option labeled App Icon Badges. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap the switch to turn it off. And that's it.